Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to FreeFire Max with Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. Tap open FreeFire Max application on your device and make sure that it loads. In the sign-in page, you will come across these options which you can pick to get access back to your account. In order to sign in to your FreeFire Max with Facebook, click on the Sign in with Facebook button. Click the Continue button to get to facebook.com website and open up your Facebook application. If prompted, you will need to log into your Facebook account by entering your credentials. Once you're signed into your Facebook, tap on Continue button and tap on the Open button to open up FreeFire Max. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to log in to FreeFire Max with Facebook. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.